What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day, or whatever time it is. I hope it is great for you. Now, I am probably too far from the camera, but I was really excited and both anxious to do this. And what I am talking about today is I am going to do a range test on this right here, the Air 3. If you can't see it, probably zoom in, but yeah, it is the Air 3. You know, it's the Air 3. Anyway, so essentially, as you can see right now, I am in this serene just space right here, you know. My wife and I, we've been meaning to come up here. We have another friend sitting somewhere, I don't remember exactly where he said he was going to be, but somewhere there. And that's going to be my VO. You went down there, I believe, hiking somewhere. Anyway, it's not really, that is important, of course, you need to have a visual observer. But anyway, yeah, basically what we are going to do today is a range test, and I apologize again if I am too far, but let's get this going. Now, I will be honest with you, I do not have a specific goal for this. I guess the only thing I would want to see is when the signal starts dropping, but with the 20 kilometers DJI said you get on this drone, I don't think I'm going to go. I don't know if I'm going to be able to go that far. I'm going to go as far as possible. If anything, this should give you an idea of basically what it's like when you have no obstructions, no, you know, places with congested signals, anything like that. But anyway, let us get on to the test. Okay, so we are up in the air. You got the Air 3 right there. And I don't particularly care for range tests, so I'm just going to go forward, see what happens. Let's go up to the highest altitude. And this is going to be on normal mode. It is pretty windy, but let us get going. Okay. All right, so we are approaching in a few thousand feet. We just marked past that. No signal loss there. Well, actually, I'm sorry, we're at one bar. Nope, we just got that bar back. Okay. So yeah, we are now at max altitude. And I'm just going to keep going straight, pretty much. So we just passed the 2,000 mark and no signal loss there. Okay. Alrighty, now we are getting up to the 3,000 mark, or we're past it now. Still no signal loss. Gonna try to get as close to that mountain as possible, but I also don't want to risk anything happening to the drone, especially battery life and us having wind, since the drone is going to have to work a bit harder. Oops, zoomed in there by accident. Okay, so we are approaching well, not yet anyway. Almost at 5,000 feet distance. Okay, now we are past 5,000. Still no signal attenuation, if that's the right way to say that, but no loss of signal really. And geez, this thing goes far. Pretty sure with the DJI RC, this maybe would have lost signal already. All right, past 6,000 feet. And I should have been recording this, but I forgot to press record. Okay, so we are approaching 8,000 feet. You just make sure, like, not too close to over here. Okay, still no signal loss, which is crazy. Okay. I'm gonna start slowing down a little bit here because I don't know how tall these mountains are. Or rocks. Still no signal loss. Ooh, that's cool. There's a little stream right there. It's pretty nice. Okay. Let's try to get this to like 10,000. I think that's fair. Still no signal loss. Now, the problem with doing this is that, of course, I am at a specific height. Okay, we just got our first little signal loss and I'm losing the feed. So, all right, feed is back. All right, there we go. So now we got some signal loss and we are at 9,084 feet distance, 84 foot distance. So I think that's fair. I think that's a very, very, very fair thing to see. I'm not gonna push this anymore. I'm gonna bring it back and you guys can just watch the little stream that I did not know was there. I'm actually crazy terrified right now of this. Also, let me text my VO to make sure that you saw where it went. Okay, cool. So, yep, they did see it go by, which is cool. And I am just navigating this back to me. Man, that is like a... I didn't even know all that was over there. Let me see where the direct line to me is. Okay, so I'm like going the wrong way. All right. So that was crazy. Did not expect to be able to go that far. I mean, is that 20 kilometers? I don't know. You can look that up yourself, but I think 9,000, what was it, 9,048 or something feet, that's enough. Like, you're not going to be delivering contraband to a jail or anything. That is not my original joke, but it is someone, well, I did hear it from someone who I respect within the drone community. Points if you know exactly what I'm talking about. He's actually one of the biggest reasons I didn't have any, or got rid of my drone anxiety pretty much, or not completely, but you know, a decent amount. All right, so you can see this thing is like taking pretty long to come back. And of course you can shut off the video now if you just wanted to kind of see how far it was gonna go, period. But you're welcome to stay if you want. All these flies trying to eat me today. Apologies again if you all wanted to see like the 4K footage and all. I forgot to press record. This was very kind of like just wanted to get it over with, if anything, because this is very scary for me. I don't ever range test, like I said, but man, this is actually going to be some pretty good footage actually. Maybe I can use this for something. I typically film on auto only because, you know, that's what most people are going to film on. I don't have ND filters for the Air 3. I do have them for the Mavic 3 and the Mini 3 Pro, of course. But I know you're supposed to, you know, what is it? If you're shooting whatever frame rate you're shooting in, you're supposed to double your shutter speed to give you motion blur and all that stuff. I didn't have a reason to do that right now. So, of course, this footage is just auto, straight out of camera. Okay, starting to hear this again, so start bringing it down. I apparently did not bring it down close enough, but that's fine. I see it. Come to me, drone. Peep the battery life too. I keep saying that like literally every single video I keep doing, but I think the battery life is pretty phenomenal on this thing. So is that in frame? There we go. So we got this back now, and it only wasted about two cells of the battery. So let me get this down. Alrighty, so we got it down. So there you have it. Hopefully I'm standing in frame. If I'm standing to the side, whatever. It's like a wide angle lens. That was the range test. It's pretty scary. Like I said, I don't do range tests at all. I don't have a reason to. There's absolutely no reason for me to do them. So yeah. I don't really know what else to say. You all saw it for yourself, and yeah, that's it. I don't really know what to say. let me know if this video was helpful to you. Of course, you know, I know there are some people that wanted to see a range test, start to see, you know, see exactly when the signal starts going out and everything like that. But I hope this video was helpful to you. And yeah, comment below. I'm going to go call my VO and make sure that I compensate him pretty okay. Yeah, I'm rambling at this point. Goodbye.